Hi everybody, doing a little check-in here today and sharing some new thoughts and things that might help us all get through. Top of the mind, of course, is that you are all well, taking care of yourself and your loved ones. What I'm sharing for this week are three things. I have my blog I feel really strongly about. It's called Catch, as in catch a lifeline. And as I am limping through with my family and loved ones, all I keep thinking about is how grateful I am for the lifelines that exist and I'm holding tight. And so I write about that and share a little bit there. And I connect that to mathematics because I think that perhaps that can be another lifeline, and I'll take whatever I've got to hold on to right now. So that is one of the things I write about, and I link to that blog, and you can check it out if that interests you. I'm also sharing two problems that can occupy our minds in a really positive way, and so you can check those out. So let me give you an example of how mathematics can really be a lifeline. At very basic level, think about counting. Have you ever told your children that you have till the count of 3 to get over here, or taken a breath in for 4 and out for 4? And so at its very fundamental level, mathematics is calming and can be a lifeline. At a more deeper level, or I suppose a more rigorous level, solving problems is a very healthy distraction, much like reading a book. And so I share some problems. I'm excited about these problems. One is the gnomes and hats problem. It's a classic problem, and shout out to James Tanton for sharing this problem. Really interesting scenario these gnomes find themselves in, and they need to use some mathematics to save their lives, and it's really challenging and really interesting problem. There's a video that someone did a beautiful job, and I also have a link to the math forum where that problem's written. So check it out. Definitely spend some time struggling before you play the whole video. It tells you where to stop and pause. But even once you see the solution, maybe you decide that you're done struggling and you want to see the solution, there's still more mathematics to play with. Like you try to make a general case, a different amount of gnomes, all that fun stuff. So you can get a little lost in that one. The second link is a Carroll square, which is so interesting. Did you know that Lewis Carroll, the author of Alice in Wonderland, also really liked logic, and he enjoyed organization, and he created these Carroll squares that help sort of sort information according to attributes and different criteria, so an exercise in logic. So I have some of those puzzles in there. Those are definitely really calming because we're taking information and making sense of it, and I think a lot of the information that's coming at us right now is just not making sense. So we can use that activity, and that's there for you. And last thing I want to say, the thing about lifelines that's so awesome, as much as we receive lifelines, we can toss a lifeline to someone. So perhaps you want to share those puzzles or those activities, or really whatever it is that would be useful to you. So let me know how you like these. Let me know if these help you. I have other favorite puzzles and math problems, and I revisit them over and over again. So I may just share those as well. That is it. Remember to be kind to one another, and be safe, be well, and let me know, if you need anything at all. Okay, take good care. Bye.